A South Florida family closing a tragic chapter as a woman who drove drunk and crashed into a lake pleads guilty today. The accident killed her best friend. CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor is your reporter in downtown Miami with what happened in court. Yvonne?
And what happened in court, Lauren, is that 10-year probation is what the defendant is going to face. Now, these two women, the victim and the defendant, not only were best friends for life, but their children married each other. And that's the reason why attorneys at this court said that this was a family tragedy.
Ms. Vega, do you understand the terms of the plea agreement?
Yes. 73-year-old Julia Vega stood next to her daughter and defense attorney to plead guilty on Tuesday to the charges of DUI, manslaughter, and vehicular homicide for the deaths of Vega's best friend.
They understood to put a 74-year-old woman in prison would not serve the public's best interest.
The crash happened on the night of December 30th, 2024. According to police, Vega's vehicle fell in the lake behind the Vista del Lago condominiums in Hialeah Gardens. The arrest report states that 69-year-old Elsa Pintor was in the passenger seat. Deputies said Vega suddenly accelerated, hitting a pole and a fence before plunging her vehicle into the lake. She was rescued by deputies. Her friend did not survive. Bodycam video of the officers recorded the defendant's interview. They conducted a sobriety test, and according to investigators, Vega admitted to drinking wine earlier that night. Police said a blood draw revealed a blood alcohol level nearly twice the legal limit, along with anti-anxiety medication in her system.
Did my friend die?
I don't know that part of the investigation.
Investigators said that Pintor, who was in the passenger seat, was unable to get out of the sinking vehicle. This Tuesday, the son of the victim, who is Vega's son-in-law, was asked by the judge if he was okay with the plea.
Your Honor, aware that they explained everything to me. I'm agreeing with everything and looking forward to try to put this behind us.
The state attorney's office lawyers revealed the plea agreement.
10 years of reporting probation, and her license will also be permanently revoked. She will complete 200 hours of community service.
So they decided to allow her to serve probation and to be a member of the family, which would help not only her side, but also the next of kin too.
And as you can see, the defendant left court without saying a word. Now, attorneys said that both sides reached an agreement because Julia Vega right now is the babysitter for the family's grandchildren. And right now, she is the only grandparent alive. We are live from the Metro Justice Building in Miami. Yvonne Taylor, CBS News, Miami.